Hello everyone, welcome to a new week, a new trading week, and today we'll be discussing the updates on VIX 75 and the moment crash. Now basically we've had a wonderful week last week, and it was a profitable week for us all through. Market moved in tremendous ways that we actually didn't expect, and all we just had to do was just to take profits of what happened on the markets. And Bitcoin, Volatility 75 turned very bullish in the previous week, and is still bullish in the long term. You can see it's having a little bit of correction, so you can see that right from zero level Bitcoin pushed beyond the 100 level and pushed towards the 161 level. So it was formally in a downtrend, but exceeded the downtrend towards the uptrend. So right now what we're just waiting for is the retracement to come to an end before we actually think of what to do next. But in the meanwhile, let's just have an overlook of what happened in Volatility 75 last week. So I've made a mark of when last week started. Yes, so let's just have a look at our entry levels and how we made a bit of cash last week. Alright, so now we are at the beginning of the week. Now don't forget our fib levels have been drawn already. If you don't know how to draw them, just quickly go to my channel and check the video, and also you could also check below the description. You will see the weekly fib strategy. There are about 3 or 4 series there. Just ensure that you watch all the series, watch everything, so that you can understand how strategy works. And also I advise that you also subscribe to this channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button so that I can get notifications whenever we post strategies that will be helpful for your trading. Now basically it's quite simple. Right here you can see that the market entered the week, which was last week, and dropped. You can see that the trend here is an uptrend. You can see that it dropped and it touched this level here. So here was our entry, because it intersected with, let's see, there's this I see that right here we had this consolidation, so that give us more confidence that it's going to push more to the upside since it's in the uptrend already. So with this oversold level, we entered right here and we made this profit. Let's see, we made a profit of we made a profit of $190. Yes, made a profit of $190. Yeah, so the next, let's look at the next one that we have. You can see right here, we entered here, and we came out right here. Okay, you can see something played out here, entered here, and we came out right at this level. For the market now started consolidating. Market was consolidating and we consolidating. Okay, alright, it dropped here, still no signal, because we expect that it should get oversold first. Then the market plummeted, went above, and came here, retest this level, and at this level placed our entry, because it was already sitting on this support here, which you can see is close to this is our level here. So it was a buy, then we rode the trend, we rode the trend. As for me, I actually entered the market right here. It's from me I entered the market because from my 4-hour chart I already saw a change in the momentum on the direction of the market. You can see right here, you can see that, we had like a little divergence here. You can see we had like a little regular divergence here. You can see this. So this happened the previous week, so I expected more push to the upside, so it went up, came this way. So this was my entry, just right on this support zone here. This was my entry, and I took out my trade. I think took out my trade somewhere around here. So that was what I did for VIX 75 for this week. So I rode the trend to this level. Then when it got to this level right here, I exited my trade. Then I looked for, since I knew that it was going to retrace back downwards a bit, just a little bit of retracement, so I waited for my sell signal. So there were some consolidations around this support level, resistance level. So all I did was I just waited to get a confirmation right here, which was this. As the market was moving sideways, then it dropped, create a lower high, created a lower high. Then right here was where I placed my entry, and I exited my trade right here. So that's how I made a little bit of profit last week in VIX 75. So let's just have a quick look at what we should expect for this week. Alright, so let's look at what we should expect for this week. So let's draw our fib. Let's draw our fib for the week. Okay, so I also, if you actually need this indicator, you can see that it's an indicator that draws the zone for me. Yes, that draws the demand and supply zone, or the resistance and support zone. Yes, you need an indicator that can actually do that for you. It's quite simple. All you need to do is just check the description below, and you will see the link that will take you to the download page, where you can actually download this indicator and other indicators for free at no cost. So just click the link below and you're able to download them. Alright, so now for this new week, what we're going to be expecting is quite simple. We're just going to be, let's say that the market has retraced to the 61.8 level, so there's high probability, a very high probability that it might continue to the uptrend from this level. But I for one, I'm expecting it to drop to the 50% level. Yeah, based on experience, I expect that it will drop to the 50% level. Then at this level is where I might be picking up little trades that could be profitable. But notwithstanding, I'm going to see its reaction around 61.8 level, then before I place my entry. So as our custom is, just go to the lower time frame and check how the market reacts. Just check how the market is reacting, and once you see that there's some reactions in the market, then all you need to do is just to place your entry and let the trend move in your direction. So that's what we have for VIX 75. So like I said, if you want to have a good understanding of how the strategy works, yeah, because I'll just create an overview of what happened the previous week, and I'll just let you know what you should be expecting for this week, and let you know the trend that we are in. So if you want to have a good understanding of how the strategy works, please just check the description below. You will see videos on weekly Fib strategy. They're in series. Just go over there and watch them. So that's that. Then likewise the same for the boom 1000, the crash 1000. You can see that this previous week, you can see that market dropped this high and retest on this level. You can see that it got oversold right here, and you can see it dropped below 50, though it didn't touch 20, but it was close. You can see it right here. So the moment you get your cross, you place your entry and you ride the wave. Very simple. All you need is patience. You don't need anything more other than patience. As for me, I would have taken this trade, you can see, because it didn't drop below 50, so I won't have the confidence to actually take the trade. So what else? Okay, just look at this. You can see this consolidation right here. The consolidations, then the market dropped. Then you can see this lower high right here. Then the market dropped, retested here. I wouldn't have still entered here. The market dropped. Then this was where I placed my entry. You can see it was oversold, it was overbought here, and it was on the overbought was on the resistance level. So right here was my entry. I took my entry right here, then I rode the waves down here. Very simple. That's the retracement right there. So the same thing right here. You can see it went overbought, and you can see it's in a downtrend. So right here, you just place your entry, take your profit to this level. So you can do the same for this. You can see it was still oversold when this happened. So you just place yourself, then it comes this way. So that's how this week actually went. Sorry, last week went. And to draw your, sorry about my cold, sorry about my catarrh, sorry, it's just a little bit of flu. So you just draw your Fibonacci on this, from this lowest point, this highest point, and you extend it for the week. As you can see that boom 1000 is still bullish, so we're expecting more of the bullish trend for the week. So you can see that we are actually sitting on a support, a good support. So, and the support, you can see that this support zone, or this demand zone is directly on this 50 level. You can see it's intersecting with 50 level. So what we need to do is just to wait patiently for it to touch to get good signals. Then we place our entry. So that's that on that. So the same thing with crash. That's a crash uptrend. You can see right here. You can see this touch, then boom. Then you can see the same thing here. Landed here, oversold. Then you ride the wave. So that's how you can actually be profitable in this market. You can see hit here also, oversold. Then it was a buy. So that's how that's what you should actually expect for this week. For crash 1000, the market moved to this level. All right, market moved to this level. So yeah, so I'm expecting more intersections. Sorry. Yes. Okay. All right, so I'm expecting more intersections here, with this Fibonacci lines and this demand and supply lines. So once I get intersections and they correspond with the trend and the overbought and oversold levels on the stochastic, then I place my entry and just wait patiently for the market to go in your favor. So that's what you expect for this week. And like I said, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also please click the bell button. And also, if you want to get good knowledge of how this weekly fib strategy works, a lot of persons ask me, what strategy do I use? I don't use any other strategy but apart from this same strategy that I teach. So it's needless for anyone to contact me and ask me, what strategy am I using? This strategy is the same strategy I use, and I'm profitable using it. So all you need to do is just to settle down, understand how the strategy works, get used to it, demonstrate for a while, understand how the system works, and all you're out there to make is money, serious money. So without stress, just check the description below, watch all the videos that you see down there. They're going to help you to be profitable. They're going to help you to enhance your trading skills. The reason why I take my time to create these videos is so that you can be profitable, so that you can excel as a trader. So take advantage of this platform, of this system, take advantage of this community and be part of it, because being part of it, certainly you're sure to make a lot of money. So I'm your boy Leke, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.